Hey folks, the Desert Artist here. I'm here in the desert and I am at my mine claim. I have been digging through this vein material here and I've been pulling out some blue agate. Let me just a small piece that I'm showing you, but it is blue agate. So right now I'm just chasing down this vein. I'm going to see how far it goes. It looks really yummy. My other vein that I was digging at yesterday is up over there, and it's still got my tools in it. I'm starting to get thirsty. I've been licking a lot of rocks. So, I'm sorry I haven't been on live. I'm kind of depressed, and then it's cold in the morning, you gotta have a coffee, and then you gotta eat breakfast, and then this and that, and well, then you find a bunch of blue vein material that you're just like, yeah, yeah, baby. So I plan on doing a Cholla cactus video remake of my Cholla cactus video. I'm gonna continue digging this vein. It looks like I got easy. It might be a lot easier digging than another one was up there. I'm telling you, it was straight into bedrock. So, all right, I felt like Barney Rubble. Okay, well, hey, you all have a great day. I'm the Desert Artist. I am out here in the desert. I don't know about the gold stuff, but I got blue agate material. To me, that's worth just as much as gold. Y'all have a great day. This is Desert Artist. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.